Hey, stuck with that annoying couldn't start the game 122 error every time you fire up Fortnite on your PC? No need to stress. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix that Fortnite error on your PC. So without wasting any time, let's start. Solution 1. Reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh intip reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 2. Use an optimized DNS server. To do this, open up Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 here and press Enter. This will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, just go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. And click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Now select Manual from here. And then turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternate DNS. Here type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now check if the error is gone. Solution 3. Repair the game. To do this, first open up the Epic Games Launcher. Then click on Library. After that, click on the three dots icon below the Fortnite poster and select Manage from the pop-up menu. Now click on this folder icon, and the File Explorer should open up. Next, go to the Fortnite game folder. Then open up the Binaries folder and then go to the Win64 folder. From here, delete the Easy Anti-Cheat and Easy Anti-Cheat_KAMU folder. Now scroll down and delete the Fortnite-Win64-shipping, Fortnite Client-Win64-shipping_BE, Fortnite Client-Win64-shipping_EAC, Fortnite Client-Win64-shipping_EAC_EOS, Fortnite Launcher files. Now close the File Explorer and go back to Epic Games Launcher. Next, click on Verify, and the launcher would verify and repair any corrupted files. After that, you should be able to launch the game without getting the error. So that's how you fix the couldn't start the game 122 error in Fortnite on your gaming PC. If the video helped you solve the issue, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll hit you up real soon. Thanks for tuning in.